Hi, my name is Jenny Walker. I'm a realtor at Realty Austin in Austin, Texas, and I live in and specialize in real estate in Westlake. And today I just wanted to quickly go over some maps that are on my website. My website is westlake-home.com. And again, I'm Jenny Walker, and just a brief overview of Westlake. So I have this fantastic map that is the neighborhoods that are within Westlake. So Westlake is huge. It's about 30 square miles. So there are a ton of different neighborhoods and many different schools, one high school, 6 elementaries, and 2 middle schools. There is so much to know about the area. But this gives you a good visual of the neighborhoods in Westlake. So all the way from close to downtown, you have Rollingwood, Tremont, Westwood. This is all kind of old Westlake. You've got Westlake Hills back here. You've got Davenport Ranch over here, Rob Roy, Lost Creek, and then heading down Bee Caves, you'll hit Cuernavaca. And then Senna Hills is not on this map, I apologize. But that is the most western part of Westlake. And then I have this tax rate map just to show you the different city jurisdictions. So this is City of Rollingwood. A lot of people don't realize that there are actually 4 different jurisdictions in Westlake that would have to do with building codes and all of that. So this orange part, this is City of Rollingwood. It has its own mayor, police force, building officials, and all of that. And then right here in this purple, this is Westlake Hills, and this also has its own separate mayor, police force, city staff, all of that. And then these brown areas are unincorporated ETJ areas, like this is Westwood, for instance. And this neighborhood has not been incorporated by anyone, and it actually has the lowest tax rate. And believe it or not, a lot of Westlake has low tax rates. This is the lowest, and then Rollingwood and Westlake Hills are low as well. And then the green is City of Austin. You get to the highest tax rates in the area, but very normal for Austin, 2.2, whereas Rollingwood is like 1.9, and Westwood, I think, is 1.8. But anyways, this is just Old Westlake, and just wanted to give you that overview. And then this is just showing you in all of Austin, this is the 30 square miles of Westlake Eames ISD. Back up to this neighborhood map. Just, check it out. And please reach out to me if you have any questions about the area. Again, I live in the area and work the area and know it very well. I also build and remodel, so I know a lot about the building restrictions and have a deep understanding of all of that. My email is jenny@realtyaustin.com. My number is 512-653-3398. I'm happy to set up an online tutorial where we can go over and I can educate you about the area. Thanks for listening, and I hope to talk to you soon.